Looking for a thriving community with promising growth? Welcome. I'm Bradley, property consultant at Beatty Real Estate, specializing in Al Furjan. Explore the Marouge Al Furjan, set to complete in June 2024, and Tilal Al Furjan completing January 2025. These are the only two gated communities in the neighborhood, backed by quality developer Nakhil, and their convenient location are sure to drive interest to the area. While East Al Furjan continues to thrive, West Al Furjan flourishes with plots that are becoming scarce very quickly. Buyers in West Al Furjan can build their own custom-built properties with minimal limitations. Properties ranging from brand new townhouses to custom-built villas, there's property here for everyone. Ready to invest in Al Furjan? Contact me for more details or market insights, and let's explore what options we have available to you.